At Škoda we know that life is not black and white, it's full of colors and a variety of experiences and challenges.
And we as humans are diverse as well. That's why we can look at the things from different angles, look for and find the best solution together.
Diversity enriches us, not only at work. We are all different, but we are a great team with a common goal. Together we can achieve amazing things.
This car is the proof. The Škoda Elroq Respectline. A car with a genuine human touch, celebrating the diversity of people and representing our values of mutual respect for each other and for the world around us. A colorful car full of positive energy.
Škoda.